Welcome back to Gipsy's Kitchen Delights. For today's recipe, I'm going to show you how I make my no-bake chocolate eclair cake. This is a super easy and delicious dessert that you can make, and it has layers of graham crackers and a fluffy chocolate pudding topped with a smooth and silky chocolate ganache. This is definitely a crowd-pleasing dessert, and I cannot wait to share with you guys. So let's get started. For the ingredients, you're going to need 1 box of graham crackers, 2 boxes of instant chocolate pudding, 3 cups of cold milk, 1.5 cup of heavy cream. For the ganache, you're going to need 1 cup of chocolate chips and 3/4 cup of heavy cream. I also like to use chocolate to shave over the top. Start by making the pudding. So in a mixing bowl, add in the 2 packs of instant chocolate pudding. Pour in the milk and beat on low to medium speed for about 2 minutes till everything is combined and starts to thicken. Once everything is combined and the mixture is thickened, set this aside. Now, to make the whipped cream, pour in the heavy cream into a bowl and start beating till the cream is whipped and fluffy. Add the whipped cream into the prepared pudding and fold it till it's well incorporated. Now this is how it should look: smooth, fluffy, and light. Now set this pudding aside. Now to make the chocolate ganache, heat the heavy cream in the microwave till it's hot. And pour over the chocolate chips and let this sit for about a minute. Then mix this using a fork till the chocolate is melted completely and the ganache is smooth and silky. Also, to top, I like to shave chocolate using a peeler. Now it's time to assemble the dessert. So in a 13 x 9 inch pan, add a layer of graham crackers. Then add dollops of the pudding mixture and spread it evenly. Next, a layer of graham crackers again, and a final layer of the pudding, topped with a final layer of the crackers. Now pour over the chocolate ganache and make sure to spread it evenly. Finally, sprinkle in the chocolate shaves, or you can also use cocoa powder. Cover this with a foil and chill this in the fridge for at least 5 hours or overnight. This is definitely a crowd-pleasing dessert, and it has amazing chocolate flavor. I'm sure you guys will love this. If you enjoyed watching this chocolate eclair cake video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!